Hi everyone, my name is Siti Nazeqqa and I'm a final year student pursuing a Bachelor degree in Business Administration, majoring in Marketing at Universiti Kebangsaan Malaysia, UKM. I'm currently undergoing my internship at REHDA Institute under the Event Business Development and Marketing Department. During my internship journey, I had the opportunity to be involved in various programs, including handling the social media content, assisting with the event management, emceeing the corporate events, and learning to manage the AV system during the programs. So this experience actually really helps me to improve my communication skill, my confidence, and also the ability to work in a fast-paced environment. One thing that I truly appreciate about REHDA Institute is the supportive working environment, my team, and also all the colleagues here. Even as an intern, I was trusted with the responsibilities and also encouraged to contribute creatively here. There were also challenging moments, of course, especially when during the event preparations and handling the last-minute tasks, but those experiences taught me how to communicate better, work as a team, and also stay calm under the pressure.
Beyond work, Free Friday activities gave me the chance to bond and build stronger connection with my colleagues.
This internship has greatly improved my confidence, my communication skill, and overall understanding the real estate industry and show how the real world working. And I'm also very grateful for the valuable experience and memories that I gained throughout this internship journey. Peace around. So are you guys enjoying your lunch? Alright. Hi everyone, so today we're having a preparation for our tomorrow event at Furuni, so let me show you guys around. Hi guys, today is the event.